Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, and I'm going to do a little market analysis, and I actually did some preparation here for the trading tomorrow. Today is the 31st, so this preparation is for the 1st, right? So let's see here. Right now the time is 10:40. So let's see. Let me pull out my Epic pen. Alright, so today we had this rejection here on the US dollar. Kind of came back down to this money zone value area high right there, found support, and we're pushing up, right? So let me try and make this a little bigger here. Alright, so this money zone setup here is a higher value relationship, and once this price stays above, let's see here, this is the value area low, that white line right there. I think you guys could see that. Let me see if I can make that a little bigger. Right, so once price stays above that in a higher value relationship, we're looking for buys at this area, also buys at the yesterday value area high, and excuse me, and we're also above this lower value VWAP right here, this lower band, right? So anything above this is support. This is the last resort kind of for VWAP support. There is lower bands, but this is where the support usually takes place for it to, push higher. So we're getting this push higher right now. We got the Fed statements tomorrow and all that, but we're gonna have some trading in the morning before that comes out at 2 p.m. So possibly this is gonna, I don't know, maybe stay bullish. We're already getting some weak rejections, showing some weakness, so maybe you might get like a pullback here to this value area high of yesterday and look for buyers around this area. So maybe in the overnight session, if it comes back down and get some buyers, maybe we get buyers early in the morning, and that would pull down the stock market early in the morning, right? Now, if this continues to move down lower, then we're gonna get this bullish setup in the stock market tomorrow, right? So depending on what this does tonight, we'll see. Let's see here. Right, so that's what I'm looking at on the US dollar, right? If this stays above here, we're gonna get the ES1 and Q1 mini futures is gonna be moving down in the night. So let's see here. Right, so this is the 15-minute chart on the RTY. So since the session open, it's been moving lower, and I've actually marked out here, right? Anything below this level is a mean reversion trade towards longer term VPOC, right? So once we don't get that bullish action above this level, I'm looking for shorts tomorrow. Now if we do get support here, right around this level, and we start moving up tonight, the US dollar moves down and we start moving up here tonight, then we're looking for buys up in this area here for continuation from yesterday, right? Well, today actually. I'm actually recording this video on the 31st, so this is for tomorrow setups, Right, so that's same thing on the ES1, same kind of setup. Anything above this area here, looking for longs in this area. All that is breakouts for continuation, and we'll see what it does overnight. let's see. Right, so the Camarilla setups is in a higher value relationship. S3 is here. This was previous R3, so it's above that. We're opening below S1, right? So we actually, well, we open above S1, but we're moving down now to S2. So maybe it gets some support here at S3, and it does like a S3 to R3 traverse. But we'll see how it works out. See where it opens up tomorrow morning, you know. Let's see here. Right, NQ1. Same kind of setup right here. It's a higher value relationship. S3 is here. R3 yesterday was here. Now it's up here. So higher value relationship. Same kind of setup. Pulling down. Well, this one kind of moved. It's a little closer to S3 in this one, but maybe it's looking for support here. If it holds support at this level, the next level, if it doesn't, the next level is this level here at S4. So we'll see what it does tonight. And let me go to some of the stocks I trade. All right, this is Nvidia. Right, so I actually had to write down some of the stuff, man, because I wasn't impressed with what I did today. You know, I kind of went off till today, so I'm throwing on some training wheels and actually writing this on the chart, you know. So when I look at my chart tomorrow, because I'm not gonna do anything other than what these levels are suggesting, you know. So especially with a day like tomorrow, where anything could happen, you know. Right, so this setup here, this is the money zone for tomorrow, and it's an inside value, so it's a breakout trade to R3. Anything above here bullish. If we open anywhere around this level here, anything above, I'm taking longs up to R3. That's Camarilla R3 for tomorrow. And if it turns into a trend day, then anything could happen. We could just break out and probably go to R4 or something like that. So that's my thesis for tomorrow, right? So breakouts above here, if we open anywhere in here and we start getting support and we move up, take the breakout. This is the target. If it's really strong, take it further, right? So also this is another setup here. This is an overlapping higher value with the Camarilla, so it's moderately bullish. So it has a chance for a possible rejection right here. So if we get, like, if I take a breakout here and it stops and start pulling back, then I could take this and try and catch this back down, you know. All right, let's see here. So this is the money zone value area low. Anything below is setting up for a mean reversion back into value below. So looking for shorts anywhere below here. This is a double pivot zone, so looking for support, maybe be at this level here to probably come back up to the value area high. And anything below, I'm looking for shorts, breakdown, look for bearish setups, retest, then short. This is Camarilla S3 right here. And this is the bottom central floor pivot. So anything below here, looking for shorts, right? That's simple enough. Next one is AMD. Basically the same setup. All of these tech stocks are actually setting up the same way, so looking for the same kind of thing right here. This is the value area high, money zone. That's the cam for tomorrow. Top central Floor pivot, look for breakouts above money zone value area high. So looking for the breakout around here. Same thing with the double pivot. Look out for support. If it breaks down, start looking for the shorts at the break of the money zone value area low. And anything below here is shorts. So look for like a retest setup. Anything like that, we go in short. And same thing, anything above here, retest, long to R3 and beyond probably R4. Right, so Tesla is the overlapping higher value, moderately bullish, short rejections and short and rejection to this level here. Since it's moderately bullish, if you get a breakout here, take that up to here, that's the target. We start getting any kind of rejection plays here, take it back down. This is the POC level, this is the value area low. All these are targets here. And if we start off like this, let's say we start off in the middle, breakdown, retest, taking shorts to this level or probably lower than this. Look for the retest if I'm not in already, and look for shorts below here. All depending on where price opens tomorrow. So yeah, that's my little setups for tomorrow, man. I'm trying to get hang of this and, you know, control myself properly and stick to my strategies. So these are basically my strategies. Overlapping higher value. This is possible rejection at R3. So you get like some gap up plays, right? And then you catch it back lower. Let's see here. Let's see what the ES1. Yeah, so not much movement going on right now, but it's starting off bearish. You know, it's pulling back. Let's look at what the US dollar is doing on the 15-minute. Well, let's look at the 5-minute. So these pivot levels is a higher value relationship. See, these are the pivot levels here from yesterday. And now they're up here. Let's see, the money zone is in a higher value relationship. That's the money zone, the value area high. Down here is the value area low. And this is previous day's value area high. So prices holding to the thesis so far. It's kind of in the middle, but it's holding around these pivot levels. We opened, let's see, we opened within the price range, right? Previous price range, and we opened above the value area low. So all of this here is support for it to push higher. Let's see here. So yep, bullish price action in this region. If we get up to this level and we keep moving north, then I'm looking for definitely gonna support the shorts in the stock market. But if we get like this rejection here, like what it's kind of looking like right now. Let's see here, 1 second. Right, so if it runs into, let's say this stuff here acts as resistance, right, and it starts moving lower, then tonight it should probably catch support at that the future is supposed to catch support at that S3 level and start moving up into tomorrow. Right, so that's the S3 level, and then it'll start moving up. All right, so that's my little thesis, that's my little plans for tomorrow, and not hopefully, but I'm gonna stick to those scripts tomorrow. Anything outside of that, I'm not messing with. You know what I'm saying? So it's two sides. It could go either way, or it could go sideways. I'm preparing for it to move in either direction. For it to move sideways, that's just chop. You know what I'm saying? Can't do nothing about that. You know. All right, y'all. It's Malak Shalomo. And you all trade safe and stay blessed tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a crazy day, so let's try and survive this one. All right, you all bless.